When age, injury, or chronic conditions set us back, getting back to the life we love can feel out of reach. Traditional therapy helps, but now a cutting-edge device once used for aesthetics is revolutionizing recovery, helping patients rebuild muscle and boost mobility in just a few sessions.
I was able to, in less than 6 visits, be able to go back to my chiropractic business. The muscle felt incredible after it was done.
Overuse, like Dr. Jennifer experienced, can take a lot of time to heal using traditional methods and may even lead to surgery. But this new option, created by BTL Industries, a global leader in functional wellness, combines intense muscle contractions and heat to strengthen muscles and eliminate fat.
I actually broke my ankle on both sides and had a plate and 8 screws and re-injured my shoulder. I've been coming 3 times a week and I can't wait for my next treatment because I want to see what I can do that I couldn't do the day before.
FDA cleared for medical use, the Emsculpt Neo has proven to address muscle weakness, prevent atrophy, and speed up recovery. For anyone, from moms to athletes to doctors like Dr. Jennifer, who is using the device again.
The biggest thing is I can't believe the endorphin rush to be able to feel that blood flow get through my entire body, even though they were only working on my shoulders in the beginning. And then to feel so strong afterwards, it's an amazing machine, and it's amazing what Dr. A has done with it.
Joining me now is board-certified neurosurgeon Dr. Mohammed Abdul Hamid. On behalf of BTL Industries, Emsculpt Neo device, he's leading the charge in educating others on its use, and he has a patient here, John Ryan. Gentlemen, thank you for joining me. I am fascinated, both as a physician and as a potential patient, about this device. So where did this all come from, and how did you get into this?
A few years ago, I was trying to find a solution for my patients. And the issue I was seeing is that when I do the surgeries, the recovery phase is different for different patients.
Sure.
And I knew the importance of muscle health in overall recovery. And I decided to search and said, in this 21st century, there's got to be some technology that allow me to do a better job with the recovery phase. And I came up with BTL Industry and Emsculpt Neo device particularly. And after the very first session, I saw the potential to use the technology, the science, for rehabbing muscles after surgery.
So there's something that I think most physical therapists know that the average person and even average physician doesn't know, which is that activating these muscle groups after they've been sort of deactivated by procedure or injury or deconditioned, they need assistance in being activated. Am I right about this?
100%. And the other challenge that I saw is how do we engage the deep muscle groups?
Yes. Can you bring things back that even have some denervation?
My answer to that is yes. I've done like hundreds of treatments in the last 3 years, and I've seen people even with foot drop that were able to actually fully recover their foot drop just with the technology.
Well, we have a patient to testify. John, how's it been for you?
It's been unbelievable. I began my deconditioning process about 40 years ago when I had a skiing accident. I broke C3, C4, T6, and then messed up my SI joint.
And breaking your neck wasn't enough?
No. No, didn't learn too well. I met Doc about 4 years ago, and I had an issue with sciatica. And then actually like a year ago next week, he did a laminectomy on me. And I thought, well, I'm normal. What I didn't realize was all those years of deconditioned muscles was setting me up for a fall.
I anticipated that was going to be an issue. I told him, don't fool yourself to think that because you're pain-free, that you're fully recovered. Your muscles still need proper conditioning, and don't exhaust the muscles.
Now, there are TENS units that do things similar to this. How is this different? Did you use TENS at one time?
This is different. The microcurrent is subsensory. This you feel. So when they put the units on your thighs,
you get the big contractions.
So you have muscle contractions that include multiple layers, the deep layers, but you also have the RF component that increases blood flow to these tissues, which improve oxygenation, nutrition for healing, repair, and recovery. In addition, that RF component is the fat melting.
Oh, we can motivate patients with that. Come in, we'll improve your muscle strength and pain, and you'll lose fat.
That's a side benefit.
Who is this for?
I think it's for everyone. And I think it's good for professional athletes, people that are just wanted to improve their overall wellness and function,
stay active.
Stay active.
Well, you touched on something I want to really shine a light on it, which is that sarcopenia, which is muscle loss, is a major contributor to reducing longevity. If you want to live longer and live well longer, maintain your muscle mass and function. I want the device for my shoulders, I got to tell you. It's no fun getting older.
No.
And you're having injuries. It's
Not for the faint of heart.
It's not fun, but thank you for doing this.
Oh, absolutely. My pleasure. Thank you for having us. Absolutely.
For more information, talk to your physician or visit emsculptneo.com. That is emsculptneo.com to find that provider near you.